Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making the best pollo asado. So if you want to learn how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for the recipe we're going to need 1 whole chicken, 1/3 of a cup of pineapple juice, 1/3 of a cup of orange juice, 1/3 of a cup of freshly squeezed lime juice, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, a half of a roasted onion, 8 roasted garlic cloves, 2 little packets of sazon Goya, and all of the spices that I will link in the description box. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright, so we're going to begin by making our marinade. To a blender cup, we're going to add our piece of onion, the garlic cloves. We're going to be adding the peppercorn, ground cumin, oregano, cayenne pepper, salt, and seasoned meat tenderizer. Or you can always use Chef Merito seasoning. So we're just going to add it in there, along with our little packets of sazon Goya. To that we're going to add our lime juice, orange juice, pineapple juice, and white vinegar. And now we're just going to be blending everything until we have a smooth marinade. Alrighty, and once we have our marinade, now we can get our chicken ready. Okay, so I already have my 5-pound chicken ready. So now we're just going to give it a butterfly cut. So make sure that you flip it over. So you have the chicken breast. Just flip it over so we can cut out the spine. Okay, so grab your tijeras or your knife and just cut out the spine. And just be very careful. Okay, so once we remove the spine, save it so you can make a delicious chicken stock. And now we're just going to flip it the other way. Okay, so I'm going to grab the knife and we're just going to cut in between the breast, just to kind of separate it. Now we're going to flip it over. Okay, and now we're going to give it CPR. So press it down. There you go. Now it's all nice and flat, just like that. Okay, so I'm going to be allowing my chicken to marinate in a Ziploc bag, but of course you can always just use a bowl. So I'm just going to transfer it over. And I have it kind of rolled. Just gonna roll it up a little. Okay, so once we have the chicken, we're going to add our olive oil along with the marinade. And before you pour the marinade, taste it for salt and see if you want to adjust it. But we're just going to pour it over. And I like to kind of make sure that the marinade goes inside, in between the skin and the chicken breast. Okay. Now we're just going to make sure that the marinade is all spread all over the chicken. Okay, we're going to remove all of the air from our Ziploc bag. And we're going to allow it to marinate for at least 24 hours in a refrigerator. All right, so I marinated my chicken last night. So now, once we have it, now we can get ready to cook it. All right, so I already have my grill ready. It's set at 350 degrees. We're going to grab our chicken and we're going to cook it in indirect heat. So just remove the excess, place the bone down. Make sure that it is like that. Going to be brushing some marinade on top. Just brush the marinade. We're going to close it and allow it to cook for 40 minutes. All right, so after 40 minutes, we're going to flip our chicken over. Okay, so we're going to close it and allow it to cook for another 30 to 40 minutes. And while our chicken is cooking, we're going to make our salsas. Okay, to a blender cup, we're going to add 5 small Roma tomatoes, 1/4 of an onion. We're going to get the juice of 1 lime. And along with that, we're going to add our salt. Okay, we're going to close it and just pulse it a couple times. we're going to transfer it to a bowl. To that, we're going to add chopped cilantro. And we're going to grate our chile serrano or jalapeno. Depending on how spicy you want your salsa, then it depends on how many you're going to use. I'm only going to be adding one because my serrano is spicy. Along with that, we're also going to grate 1 garlic clove. And of course, you can also pulse it, but like that, you just make sure that you don't get a big bite of garlic. And now just mix it. And just taste it for salt and see if you want to adjust it. But just like that, we have our salsa fresca. All right, to make our avocado salsa, we're going to be adding 1/4 of a small white onion to a blender cup, along with 3 garlic cloves, a handful of cilantro, chile serrano or jalapeno, I'm going to be adding 2. And we're going to add 3 avocados. So just scoop them. Make sure you get them all. Okay, to that we're going to add the juice of 1 lime. We're going to be blending with a little water, or you can use milk for more creamy salsa. Along with our salt. Of course, the salt is all to taste, and you can always adjust it if it needs more. And now we're just going to be blending until we have a smooth salsa. Turn it on first. Ready, and just like that, we have our avocado salsa. Okay, and transfer it to a bowl. And of course, if it's too thick to your liking, always add a little more water. And just make sure you get it all. Okay, right here you can taste it for salt and adjust it if needed. And just like that, we have our avocado salsa. Okay guys, so after 30 minutes, we're going to check the temperature on our chicken. And look at that. Doesn't it already look delicious? So I'm just going to check the breast. Okay, so my chicken is done. So we're going to remove it from the grill. So be very careful. Remove it. Ooh. Look at that. We're going to allow it to rest for a couple minutes. Meanwhile, we can get the tortillas ready. Alrighty guys, and once we have our tortillas and everything ready, we can now get ready for the fun part. Alrighty, and just like that, we have our delicious pollo asado. So I'm just going to serve it with a side of rice and of course the tortillas and the salsas once we're ready to take a bite. And just look at that. Everybody's ready here, so I am ready. Get the salsa. And sorry Jay, sorry Gio, I'm taking the leg. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Sorry, Pollo Loco. This so flavorful throughout the whole chicken. The outside juicy. It's just perfect. So good. The best part, super easy to make. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make a super easy and delicious pollo asado. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.